Have you guys ever thought that, like the way you invest in various companies in the stock market, can you invest in real people? I mean real and legit people whom you believe and want to be a part of their success. They can be entrepreneurs, your favorite political leader, your favorite social media influencer, film star, or anyone whom you believe in.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Like for example, let us say you believe in Elon Musk as a person. You like his passion for innovation, his powerful personal brand, his leadership skills, and all of these things. Now earlier what used to happen is that if you want to be a part of the success of some entrepreneur, then you can do so by buying the shares of their company and simultaneously being a part of their company. Like in the early 90s, people used to believe in Dhirubhai Ambani a lot. They want to be a part of their success, so the people have invested in the share of Reliance.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
But if you carefully observe in today's world, in the case of Elon Musk, things are quite different. Elon Musk is the part of multiple companies and neither his success nor his failures is tied to one. In the present day, he is a part of Tesla, SpaceX, Starlink, The Boring Company, OpenAI, Neuralink, and among all of these, only Tesla is listed in the public stock market. Rest all are private companies. And fundamentally speaking, the performance of the company doesn't only depend upon the promoter. There are a lot of different factors behind the success of a company, like strong manpower, proper use of technology, innovation, research and development, proper financial management, and all of these things.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
So now, if I want to be a part of Elon Musk's success, then investing just only in Tesla is not the solution. Now for a moment, let's forget about some entrepreneur like Elon Musk and focus on some social media influencer like Mr. Beast. Suppose, let us say, I am a huge fan of Mr. Beast and I want to be a part of his success. I believe that Mr. Beast in future will rise to more success and rise to more heights. But is there any way to invest in Mr. Beast as it doesn't have any public listed company? Now after listening about all of these complications, you might be tired and irritated and want to directly ask, is there any way in which I can directly invest in real people?
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
The answer is yes. Now with the rise of new cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, we can directly invest in people. People will become synonymous with companies and we can invest in them in a separate stock market. The price will fluctuate based on the performance of the people. Investors like you and me will get separate benefits and lot of cool things will happen.
जोर जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
This entirely new type of social media is known as BitClout, and in this video we are going to discuss everything about it. What is BitClout, how it got started, how me and you can use this, what is in for the creators, what is the vision behind this, and lot of other cool stuff. Timestamps of the video are on the screen as well as in the description box. Now without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Now till now, what we have discussed, you might have got a rough idea on how Bitcoin works. But what's really it is? The proper answer to this question is that BitClout is a social network which works on the blockchain technology. Here, BitClout let the investors like you and me to speculate and bet on the social clout or the social reputation of different personalities using the cryptocurrency of the same name.
अच्छा?
Let's understand this in a more simpler manner. For example, let us say you have invested in the shares of Reliance. Now over the time, depending upon the market conditions, if Reliance as a company performs better, then your share price will increase and you will get good returns. Likewise, now you can bet on real people like the way you used to bet in stocks, and you can do this with the help of BitClout. Let's take the example of Elon Musk only. Suppose you have invested 1000 rupees on Elon Musk in BitClout. Now if tomorrow Elon Musk becomes the first person to land on Mars, now theoretically your 1000 rupees will definitely increase as Elon Musk as a person did an amazing job. Also, your same 1000 rupees can go down if Elon Musk did some stupid or bad thing like getting caught in a scandal or passing any racial comments and all of these things. Now if you observe things carefully, what is really happening in these cases? Here, your 1000 rupees is attached to the social reputation or the social clout of Elon Musk. Like in the stock market, your money is attached to the reputation and the performance of the company. Here in the case of BitClout, your money is attached to the reputation and performance of a single person. I hope that you might have got an idea of what is BitClout and how it works. But before that, if you are listening carefully, then you must have definitely heard that BitCloud lets users like you and me to speculate or bet on the social clout or social reputation of different personalities using a cryptocurrency of a same name. Here I am highlighting the phrase using cryptocurrency of the same name.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
One may ask here, what does this mean? What is this cryptocurrency of the same name? Now to understand that, first we have to know what are the different cryptocurrencies in the BitCloud network and how do they work. Basically, there are three different types of cryptocurrencies in the BitCloud network. First one is Bitcoin, second one is BitCloud, and the third one is CreatorCoin. Now we all know about Bitcoin. It is the first cryptocurrency ever made. It is the top cryptocurrency according to the market cap and also the most popular one. Now how Bitcoin is used in the BitCloud network, we will discuss that in a bit. And for a moment, let's keep the Bitcoin aside and focus on BitCloud. Now in this BitCloud's blockchain network, the native currency is called as BitCloud. All the different kinds of operation in this network can only be performed with BitCloud, and we can get the BitCloud cryptocurrency with the help of Bitcoin. Now this process of extraction of BitCloud can be done through the built-in mechanism in the network known as atomic swap technique. Now the third and the most interesting type of cryptocurrency is known as creator coins. Every profile on the platform gets its own coin and anybody can buy and sell that. We call these coins as creator coins. Now for a moment, take a step back. The things which we are discussing till now that we can directly invest on people, it's actually not like that.
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक?
In reality, you cannot directly invest on people. You can invest in their creator coin. In simpler words, if you want to invest your money in Narendra Modi, then even with the help of the BitCloud network, you can't directly invest your money in him. But you can rather invest your money in the creator coin of Narendra Modi. Now after investing your money, you will get that coin and that coin will be directly proportional to the social reputation of Narendra Modi.
वाह क्या सीन है.
Now you can buy and sell that coin and hence the value of the coin will go up or go down depending upon the various factors. Now let us summarize these different type of cryptocurrencies and understand the process. How do they work? There are three types of cryptocurrency in the BitCloud network: Bitcoin, BitCloud and creator coins. In this entire network, BitCloud is the most important one as all the different kinds of operations are performed by the help of it. We can get the BitCloud with the help of Bitcoin and can use that BitCloud to buy various creator coins. This was about various cryptocurrencies that work in the BitCloud network. Now one may ask here, what happens when the price will go up? Will the BitCloud network act as a normal traditional stock market? And if yes, will there be any sort of annual board meeting or the distribution of dividend or anything like that? Wait. Let's forget about us for a moment. What's actually in it for the creators? Will they get the total amount? Or some part of it? Or none? There arises a lot of different types of questions. But before discussing about that, let's have a look how this platform was started and who all are behind it. The founder of this BitCloud platform have decided to remain anonymous, but the CEO goes by the name Diamond Head in the BitCloud network. There have been a lot of speculations regarding the founder, but till now, no one have found a solid evidence.
नहीं सारुण के यहाँ कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, जरूर कोई ना कोई गड़बड़.
I think the founders have preferred to stay anonymous because of various security reasons like the founders of Bitcoin did. But in the Silicon Valley, there are really strong and powerful people who all are backing this project. They have literally invested millions and millions of dollars in this BitCloud network. Now some of them include Sequoia Capital, Chamath Palapati's Social Capital, Reddit's co-founder, Coinbase, and the list goes on and on. According to the CEO Diamond Heads, they really needed these powerful and well-known names to make creators and investors feel confident that the project was real and legit.
समझ रहे हो?
This was all about the founders of BitCloud and how it got started. Now let's discuss about the most interesting question. What's in it for the creators and the investors? First, let's discuss about the creators. If I buy a creator coin of Mr. Beast, then what Mr. Beast will get? According to the information mentioned in the BitCloud's official website, every profile allows the creator to keep a certain percentage of the coins that are created as a founder reward. For example, if someone sets the founder reward percent to 10% and then someone buys 100 BitCloud of that coin, then 10 BitCloud will be used to buy the creator's coin, and those coins will go to the creator's wallet rather than the purchasers. So here we got to know that the creator of the coin will get its money through the founder rewards. Now let's see what's in it for the investors like you and me. Now here, the BitClout as a platform operates basically as a social media network, and as a result of that, it is able to provide various perks to its investors, or we can also say that to its users. The first thing that is there for the investors, that it can basically operate like a traditional stock market. Buy when the prices are low and eventually sell when the prices are high. The investors can become traders if they want, and can also hold their investments for a longer period of time. The second thing is that the platform can also operate in the model of a Patreon or a OnlyFans. Let me explain. In the case of Patreon and OnlyFans, there is a paywall, and behind that paywall, there are various exclusive features that the users can get. This same model is applied in the case of BitClout also. Along with being a stock market for the creators and influencers, it also provides additional features like stakeholder meetings, premium messages, premium content, distribution, engagement, and all of these. Let's understand this in a more simpler manner. According to their official website, in the case of premium content, people who own a certain amount of creator coin will get access to special content, or alternatively, people must pay a monthly subscription in the form of creator coin in order to get that premium content. Here basically, the BitClout provides multiple ways and avenues in which the investor and the creator can interact with each other. Up till now, it's all looking good. The BitClout platform has become the stock market equivalent for creators and influencers. They are raising millions of dollars in funding, they have amazing future plans, but that's not all about it. BitClout is facing a lot of criticisms. A lot of people are calling it as a scam, a get-rich-quick scheme, a Ponzi scheme, and all of these. There are also some legit and real concerns regarding this platform. But before discussing about that, let us know why the platform was even built in the first place. What is the motive behind creating this platform, and what is the vision?
Control, Uday.
According to the BitClout's official website, there exists some real problems with the existing social medias. Like, there has been little innovation with regard to how creators can monetize. A handful of companies effectively control public disclosure. The dominant companies have cut off third-party developers. They even mention that if you can properly mix monetary speculations with social media, you not only end up with a novel product that creates innovative ways for the creators to monetize, but you also end up with totally new business model that solves these problems, and that isn't based on ads.
This is business.
Now, if you carefully observe what BitClout really is, then we will come up with a conclusion. It is nothing but actually a combination of multiple social media platforms. Its interface is like Twitter. It works on a blockchain technology like Bitcoin, and even it uses Bitcoin. It's like the stock market for the influencers and creators. It also provides exclusive features behind a paywall like OnlyFans and Patreon. So finally, BitClout is equal to Twitter plus blockchain plus stock market plus a paywall model like Patreon and OnlyFans. The CEO of BitClout, Diamond Heads, even mentions that we think this will quickly move us from a world in which a handful of juggernauts control the dominant feeds to one in which consumers will have thousands of feeds to choose from, each with its own specific focus. On the top of that, storing all of the data on a public blockchain makes it so that with one engineer, anyone can build a social media experience that is competitive with the existing incumbents. Here, if you will read the BitClout's official website, then one thing you will notice that multiple times they are pushing the concept that BitClout is not a company. It is just a code that runs on different nodes across the internet, just like Bitcoin. Now let's discuss why there is a lot of controversies around this BitClout. There are mainly two reasons behind it. The first reason is that the so-called influencers or the creators never signed up for this platform in the first place.
What?
The startup pre-populated the BitClout's network with 15,000 accounts after taking their information from the public Twitter profile. This means that the BitClout users can buy the creator coin of Kim Kardashian or Elon Musk even without them knowing or agreeing to it. This is one of the prime reasons why the most of the influential and powerful people are disappointed and are upset with the platform. Even the Singaporean Prime Minister have flagged concerns over the platform, creating their profile without their consent and misleading the public. Now regarding this issue, the company told that this effort was largely to prevent handle squatting and user impersonation. Now the second reason behind all of these controversies is that we can't convert the BitCloud back to real currency. To do anything in the BitCloud network, the users need the BitCloud currency and they get it through Bitcoin. But there is no way back. You can't sell the BitCloud. You can put in the money but can't get it out. Now regarding this issue, the company is telling that very soon BitCloud will be listed in various crypto exchanges, and in the initial days, the same type of case was happened with Bitcoin. Earlier, there was no way to get your money back if you have invested once in the Bitcoin. But slowly as the time passed, things have changed in a massive way. So that's all in today's video. This was all about BitCloud, how it got started, what is in for the creators, what is in for the people like you and me, what is the vision behind this product, what are the drawbacks and its criticism.